G'day guys, and welcome back to another TFT Market Outlook video. Today again we're going back over the Euro USD chart. So apologies for a bit of a late video today. I've had a pretty busy day. Now looking at today is Wednesday. Looks like we have a little bit of yellow news coming in at the start of New York with building permits and housing starts. Not sure if that's going to have much of an effect. Red news is usually what we're worried about here. So yeah, we should be all good to be looking for trades today. So looking here at the Euro, as we saw with my yesterday's video, I'll put a link in the description. We looked at this area here as a supply area. So this area here was our point of supply. As you can see, we have already technically tapped into it a little bit, but obviously once we refine that area down with a fib and get to the 50% level, we're actually hovering just below. Now you can see we had this big impulse Monday, and now we've actually started consolidating inside a little range here like this. Okay, so this is what's we teach within our community as engineering liquidity. So we actually start to build up a little bit of liquidity here, which could be looking for moves, strong moves that the banks will actually initiate to sweep liquidity, fill orders, and then look at proceeding in their desired direction. So essentially what we're looking for now is we're actually going to start marking out some liquidity areas. So we've got equal lows starting to form here. We do have some relatively equal highs coming through here as well. So what I would like to see, obviously, at this point in time, coming down to the 15-minute. Now, if we look at the 15-minute time frame, obviously we have broken. This is it's a little bit messy here. We've sort of broken bearish here, and then we've come back up again and broken bullish. And then we've failed to set a new low, which obviously is marking bullish. Come up, we failed to set a new high, and then we've come down and almost reset another low. So again, this is probably, it's ranging, very messy. What I would like to see is a push in either direction to sort of give us an idea on what we're sort of looking at doing. So for me today, I would just be waiting for this range here that we've marked out here like this. I'd be waiting for this range to sort of work out what it's going to do. There is a couple of things that could happen here. We could see a breakdown to the low side, a sweep high, and then continue lower. We could also see a bounce from here. We could see a bounce, come up, tap into our order block area, and then continue lower on the high from the higher time frame narrative. Or we could see a complete break of this area here. We could see a break low and then a push up through the high and continue on a higher time frame bullish narrative. But again, we need to probably look at the higher time frame again and reanalyze if this area gets broken, because obviously looking for shorts from this area based on the higher time frame. Going out to the 4-hour, we can see we do have a liquidity area here, but then we also do have another liquidity area sort of sitting up in here as well. So we could actually be looking at continuing higher. We could see a slight rejection out of here, continue higher, and then ultimately go further bearish with the extreme over like the macro perspective, which we are very bearish at the moment. So that's until sort of this high here, this structural high here gets broken. Till the structural high through here gets broken, we would be looking for bearish continuation. Once that gets broken, then we could be looking for macro bullish. Other than that, guys, that's possibly about it for today's Euro. Just sort of sitting on our hands, waiting to see what the opportunity the market gives us on the top or the bottom of this range that's starting to develop here for us. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.